Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for a hidden gem near Al Maktoum Airport in Dubai, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a full hotel room tour plus the facilities that are offered in this hotel. And I can tell you for sure that this hotel, this is exactly where luxury feels like home. If you're in for it, hit that subscribe button as we hit the road on our way to Staybridge Suites in Dubai near Al Maktoum Airport. As you can see, I'm really excited about this staycation, courtesy of one of my friends, one of my rich friends. I have to mention that. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty B, your premium guide to all the bars and beyond. Located 5 minutes away from Al Maktoum International Airport and 45 minutes away from Dubai downtown. I'm just entering my suite, and from the word go, this feels like a mini apartment. Let me show you around. Starting from the bedroom. I love how the neutral color palette ties the entire suite together. Also, the paintings were not just generic, they added some bits of character into the wall and the entire space. A quick look at the bathroom, because you know what, this place deserves a moment of appreciation. With a sleek white ceramic countertop, built-in sink, super clean and modern finishing with all the amenities that you need for a good bath. I want to talk about how gentle and kind the shower head sprinkles on you. I could spend hours in this bathroom. Here is a full-length wardrobe with plenty of space to keep folded clothes, accessories, and even to keep your suitcase. Take a look. Multiple shelves and the doors open and close quietly. And the finish is a nice matte, giving it that modern look that feels like home. At this point, I know you can feel the excitement. Now, one of my absolute favorite part of this suite is the kitchen. And honestly, this is where Staybridge really makes you feel like you're at home. Let's dive deep into this fully equipped open kitchen. At first glance, this looks like a clean, seamless cabinetry until you pull the handle and realize that this is a fully functional dishwashing machine and fridge and freezer section, neatly built in and disguised to match the rest of the kitchen design and elegance. I mean, this is a clever touch to make sure that this space looks neat and minimal. Take a look. Lots of ventilation to ensure you get that fresh air throughout your stay. So right now I want to go try the swimming pool. I have already changed into my swimwear, but the swimming pool is on that side. I'm gonna show you. Let's go straight. This is one of the best spots to unwind during your stay. A beautiful and well-maintained pool, not so deep, convenient for both children and adults, with towels and sunbeds around, with a peaceful view of Dubai South as you sunbathe, swim, or even read a book. In fact, I feel like I didn't have enough of this, and that means I should be back here soon. Such a sweet escape. Now let's check out one of the hotel's restaurants. It's called Cuisines and it's located on the ground floor of Holiday Inn Hotel. And as soon as you walk in, the space feels bright, clean, with a calm ambience suitable for both solo travelers and families. This is what I had for dinner, and I can tell you for a fact that this food was all fresh, well seasoned, and well plated. I opted for international, Arabic, and Indian cuisines. All this is offered here, as well as some sweet, savory desserts. Then came breakfast. Now, I want to tell you that Cuisine serves complimentary breakfast every morning. It's buffet with a wide range of options from hot dishes, fresh bread, live cooking, among other things. Here is the lounge. It's located just off the lobby, and honestly, this whole area feels like a living room you and I wishes to have at home. It's beautifully designed with plush sofas, coffee tables, and warm lighting, and you can use this space to catch up with friends, read a book, watch the telly, or even just sip coffee while scrolling through your phone. By the way, there's a coffee shop right next after it. I missed out on this. For this vlog, let me know in the comment section, would you book this for a staycation? What exactly do you love about these rooms that would make you book the room for your next staycation? Right now it's summer in Dubai and hotels are kinda cheap. Okay, not very cheap, but the price has been slashed down. So don't beat yourself. Find, create some time, go out and enjoy these facilities. They are meant for us. Some little soft life, home away from home. I mean, you deserve it. You work really hard to not to treat yourself nice. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is especially for the new, those who are watching me for the first time. And also, if you watched and you haven't commented, just go back, hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if it's just emojis, just do it. You never know what impact your emoji would have on this channel and on all of my videos. To let YouTube know that this is really a creator who is working hard on her channel. And also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload new videos. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. For now, we wrap it up. Be blessed, and it's a bye.